Philip Williams, How I Broke into Hollywood in Three Easy Steps. How I Broke into Hollywood in Three Easy Steps. Philip Williams, Speaker One.
I arrive at the movie premiere on a crisp winter evening with mixed emotions. I'm amazed I was even invited to this event. I'm excited I might get to meet the people who made one of my favorite movies. And I'm unsure about my wardrobe choice. Blue pants and a plaid shirt. The dress code said smart attire, but I'm a middle aged dad. I'm a data analyst from Roseville. I don't know smart attire. I go inside the dimly lit lobby. It's abuzz with conversation and clinking cocktail glasses. The centerpiece is the red carpet, where VIPs are congregating amid flashes of photography. I notice one gentleman in a tailored, shiny green suit, and I can't tell if he's an actor or a producer, but I do know one thing. That is some smart attire. Fellow Toastmasters, what am I doing here? Let's walk through the 3 steps that brought me to this Hollywood movie premiere. It all started with this movie called Searching. It's about a father whose teenage daughter goes missing. I was obsessed with this movie for one reason. It is full of Easter eggs. Some of you are looking at me like, what are you? If you don't know, an Easter egg is a hidden detail that filmmakers sometimes put in the background of a movie. For example, Raiders of the Lost Ark. Indiana Jones is in this ancient temple surrounded by hieroglyphics. But if you look really closely, you can clearly see that one of them is R2D2 and C3PO. It's a nod to the fact that George Lucas created both Indiana Jones and Star Wars. In Searching, there are Easter eggs in almost every scene. I started discovering these and I wanted to tell people all about them. So I went to the website Reddit and I started writing about some of these Easter eggs. As it turns out, the writer and producer of Searching, this guy named Sev Ohanian, was also really active on Reddit. He was reading all of my posts, which just motivated me even more. I wanted to go find every Easter egg I could. So I studied that movie frame by frame. I ended up with 37 pages of notes analyzing every name, image, and hidden detail I could find. I was pursuing a new passion. Remember, I said my path to that red carpet premiere had 3 steps. Well, that was step 1. Searching came out. I was obsessed with the Easter eggs. Step 2 was I started to develop a rapport with Sev Ohanian. The more I posted on Reddit, the more he engaged with me. But I could never really be sure if he was just paying me lip service. Until my wife surprised me with a Christmas gift. The Blu-ray of Searching, autographed by Sev Ohanian. Evidently, she got in touch with him without me knowing, and what he wrote was, Philip, thanks for being the world's #1 expert of searching. We see you. You know. But that's not all. Later, Sev messaged me. He said, hey, Philip, we're starting production on a sequel to Searching. In recognition of all that work you did analyzing our first movie, would you be okay if we used your name as an Easter egg in the sequel? Yeah, can you believe that? At this point, I had learned a lesson. When you dedicate yourself to something you're passionate about, even if it's something as nerdy as analyzing Easter eggs on Reddit, people will take notice. Pursue your passions and you ignite reactions. But there was still one more step on my path to that Hollywood movie premiere. The sequel to Searching, a new movie called Missing, is about to release. It's about this teenage girl whose mom goes on vacation to Colombia and never returns. Just before the release, Sev messages me again. Hey, Philip, we're having our big premiere this Thursday in Los Angeles. I've got an extra spot on my guest list. Do you want to go? Do I want to go? This was a dream come true. So I fly to LA, I go to the premiere, which was super awkward. Okay? Look, don't get me wrong. It was a great party, but I didn't know anyone there. I felt like I didn't belong. But eventually, Sev came and found me. I finally got to meet the guy. And then he and his wife took me around, introducing me to all these people who worked on Searching and on Missing, the director, writers, producers, editors. I was starstruck. And the funny thing was, a couple of them seemed just as thrilled to meet me. Oh, you're that Reddit guy. I am so grateful to Sev for reaching out to me and making all of this happen. And it all started because I devoted myself to analyzing all those Easter eggs. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, pursue your passions and you ignite reactions. Now, I can't guarantee you'll land a role in a major motion picture, but you never know what doors will open.